Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's December 21st, 2:30 in the morning. Can't sleep, gonna pick a lock. So, I'm now delving into tumblers. I got a bunch of tumblers the other day from my wonderful neighbor. This is a Defiant paracentric keyway 5-pin tumbler. And it's locked. It doesn't have a key. I'm going to attempt to pick it using a 40 Z wrench and my favorite hook pick from Covert Instruments. Now there's not a lot to hold on to, so this is going to be done by a person with PD without a vise in an awkward position. Hopefully I can do this. Got it. All right. See that? Very susceptible to a raking attack. That was egregiously, pathetically easy. Let's do it again. Yep. Easier to rake than pick, but I did both. Let me show you this really extremely, what is to me an extremely paracentric keyway. It's made from, it's got a really good True Guard stamp on there. Look at that paracentric keyway. That is something. And I think it's a 5-pinner. Hard to tell how many pins. It's from Canada. You can see it's from Canada. Hopefully you can see that. So this is going to be something to look forward to. Can't wait till I develop the skills enough to pop this little sucker. So that's going to be a long way off. So that's all for right now. My introduction into tumblers from Defiant. I don't know how old it is, but this one's actually in pretty good shape. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Shout out to all my subscribers. I noticed I have 101 now. Thank you very much for beefing me up, keeping me going. I love you all very much. Stay safe for the holidays. Be merry and have fun. Goodbye.